Datum feature A is a non-size planar feature. First, check the flatness of the highlighted surface is within, and then accept it, and datum feature A datum, plane AE, will be established. Datum feature C is a feature of size feature. First, check circular runout of the highlighted cylindrical surface and then accept it as datum feature C. Datum axis C will be established. M42. Thread surface will be validated for position tolerance of diameter 0.1 mmc with datum feature C at mmb. Highlighted surface shall be located within profile of surface tolerance zone of 0.1 with datum A, and an refinement of parallelism of diameter 0.1 at mmc with datum A. Cylinder of diameter 36. To be checked for profile of surface of 0.2 with datum axis CU. Cylinder of diameter 31.8 to be checked for circular runout of 0.1 with datum axis C. Hole pattern must be located within diameter 0.1 at mmc from datum A and C.